The wild escapade, tonight's top story at 5. Days after Coast Guard crews rescued hundreds on board, we take a look at costs. From personnel, boats, and helicopters, the Coast Guard says the bill may run into the six-figure range.
Yeah, WJCL's Nick Notario working for you to find out who is going to be picking up that tab. He joins us live from the Bull River Marina with this part of the story. Nick.
The Tradewinds Casino cruise ship Escapade arrived back here at the Bull River location Thursday afternoon after being stranded for about 30 hours out at sea. But you know what? Everyone made it home safely, but this was not a cheap venture. The U.S. Coast Guard sent out several people and pieces of equipment to assist the stuck casino boat. After attempts to move the boat failed Wednesday, the Coast Guard rescued more than 100 passengers and crew. In order to do so, they had to bring in vessels and helicopters. While the Coast Guard doesn't have an exact cost, they estimated just in equipment alone, recovery effort cost about $50,000. And Tradewinds won't receive a bill because the Coast Guard says they have budgeted money for these types of situations.
I mean, I think it should be on the cruise ship because they're the ones that got stuck. Why should taxpayers have to pay for that?
That's what they're there for. It just, it seems like the boat should foot the bill, but, nobody wants anybody to suffer.
Coast Guard officials say not sending a bill is standard procedure. If they did, officials say there might be a concern about people calling in for help, knowing they would have to pay for their assistance. Now, as for the actual costs, including manpower, Coast Guard says it could take several days. So, of course, we will keep on this for you. For now, reporting live in Wilmington Island, Nick Notario, WJCL News, working for you.